Gold and silver traded in a narrow range throughout the day. We have seen it is struggling on the upside, and on the downside, the support levels played out very, very well. But silver traded with modest bearishness. We have seen it hitting 30-50 levels and now trying to recover. So, what to expect? Can we expect both the metals to rise, or there is a possibility of further? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. We have Chairman Powell's speech later in the day that might bring to volatility here in the metals, and thus trade with caution, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Let's start first gold followed with silver. If you look at gold on the early charts, after this rise, it is trading in the box. It is not willing to drop below 26.35, 34 levels, and on the upside is struggling a bit at around 26.50, 52. So wait for it to trade now about 26.50, 52. That will be a good confirmation for us to take a buying entry, and then we can expect it to move towards 26.56, 26.60 levels. Beyond 26.60, just wait for it to trade about 26.64, 66. If these three levels are taken, I think we are looking at 26.76, 78 zone as well today itself. Take this is one part of it. See, the moving averages are running flat, and the prices are struggling or oscillating around the moving averages. That is very, very important. Thus, we want a stronger move either on the upside or on the downside, so that the moving average is starting to diverge. Stochastic rising, the MACD almost flat, and the RSI is showing a bit of rise here. On the 2-hour chart, see, it has formed a bigger tail and now trying to recover. Once it trades beyond 26.50, 52 and 26.60 zone, these two levels, once it takes, we can look forward to further bullishness, and specifically beyond 26.66, 68, we can aspire for it to achieve 26.76, 78 levels as well. Also notice what it is doing is this is trying to trade in this channel. The highs of this channel are now towards 26.76, 78 zone, which is an achievable level today itself. And at any point of time, if gold is seen trading about 26.85, 88, just treat this as bullishness, bullish reversal. We can expect 27.20 levels again. Stochastic rising, the MACD almost flat, the RSI is also flat here. On the 3-hour chart, the observation is same here. Just focusing on the current candle, and if it trades about 26.50, 52, certainly more bullishness will be seen. I can also see a bit of sideways movement here. Let it come out of this box here. That will be the only indication when you can confirm that gold is taking a direction. Right now I can see thus it is swing, it is staying in the box, I can say. Moving average is almost flat, stochastic flat, the MACD is also flat here, the RSI is also flat. So the indicators are just replicating what we can see on the charts here. Likewise, on the 4-hour charts, just see the 100-period moving average and the lower highs. Very, very important for gold to trade beyond 26.50, 52 and then 26.60 levels trading above, which certainly I will be looking forward to more bullish momentum here. Yes, it can show a complete recovery and a reversal where we can aspire for 26.76, 78 and higher levels as well. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over trading with modest bullishness. RSI is almost flat here. Coming to look at the daily chart, see slightly lower lows, slightly lower highs. Just wait for it to break beyond yesterday's high and then 26.60 levels. If these two levels are taken, stay bullish. I think it is not going to come back down again. And if you look at the momentum, it is after this single bearish candle, after this stronger drop, we have seen a retracement, then a retracement on the downside, now trying to reverse. Now where you can confirm that it is reversing, if it moves towards the highs or top of this channel, which is right now at around 26.76, 78, we can expect that yes, this is trying to erase all the losses here and can in fact move towards 26.76, 78 or in fact 26.85 or higher levels. Right now the movement is very much within the zone. Stochastic comfortable here. The MACD is also trading with modest bullishness. The RSI is flat. So looking at this, before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now looking at this, very simple, buy at 26.48 levels, expect 26.52, 56.60, 64 till 26.64. Greater resistances are available. Beyond this, I will be ideally looking forward to 26.76, 78, and once it breaks beyond this, you can expect 26.85 and higher levels. While on the downside, now a selling entry is at 26 36 levels, expect 26, 32, 30 as the first target zone. And if it breaks below this, you can expect it to move towards 26, 20, 22 zone, the next stronger support. If at any point of time gold is seen trading below 26, 20, 22, stay short. We can expect 26.08, 10, and then below that a stronger correction might be seen here. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver on the early charts. See, if you look at the drop, slight retracement, another bearish candle trying to erase some of the losses from this candle. Despite it is achieved lower lows, we can see it getting support at around 30, 30, 30, 20 zone, which is indeed a very, very good support. And now if it breaks now below 30, 40, 30, 30, 30, 20 zone, you can say that it is reversed and you can expect further crash. Right now I can see support levels coming in at around 30, 60, 30, 40 zone, which is also very, very good support here. At any point of time, silver trades above 31, 31.20, just stay bullish. 31.50 and $32 levels are the next targets. The stochastic is starting to rise. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. It may converge crossover. Right now, bearishness is prevailing here. RSI hit the bottom, now trying to bounce back. Coming to 2 hour, when you see the 2 hour charts here, see the drop sideways movement and the first bearish candle. Let it just trade above 30.90, $31 levels. That will be the confirmation of a stronger reversal where the prices can in fact move towards 31.20.25 or in fact 31.40.50 zone. Look at the movement here, rise retracement, higher lows here, higher highs here, trading in this bullish channel. The highs of this channel are towards 31.40, 31.50, and that is the zone it needs to break in order to turn bullish. The stochastic oversold. Now this is a point of concern for me as the MACD has crossed over and it is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish, though it is not that silver cannot rise further, but right now it is suggestive of bearishness here. The RSI on the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. See, it is consolidated here, and after consolidation we can see first bearish candle, then a sideways candle, and then a stronger move has appeared. So now let it stay above 30.90, $31 levels. That is the only level above which you can say now silver is reversing. Look at the movement, rise retracement, and now it can in fact give you a breakout here on the upside. I can see a bit of a struggle at around 30, 31, 30.90, 31 and 31.20 zone. Very, very strong resistances are prevailing there. The stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over here. This is a slight bearish sign and a point of concern for us. RSI has dropped here. Coming to on the 4 hour charts, you can see after a bit of consolidation, second red candle in making, and it can stay in red, and thus it is very, very important for silver to now trade above 30.90, $31 zone. That will be a confirmation of reversal, and any move beyond 31, 31.20 should be a very, very good indication for an up move towards 31.50, and beyond 31.50 we are looking forward to 32 and higher levels. The crossover in the moving averages is a significant observation here, and see this is trading in this channel. It can try to again bounce back, and thus bearishness today is only if it trades below 30.40. Till 30.40 I will not recommend you to sell silver. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is on verge of convergence. It is not yet crossed over. RSI has dropped. This is again a bearish sign. Coming to the on the daily charts, what silver has done so far, it has hit slightly higher lows from what we had seen yesterday and slightly higher highs. And see, yesterday was a first of reversal candles here, and now today if you see silver trading above 31, 31.20, expect 31.50. See, now the current move will turn into a bigger tail, and then you can expect a stronger rise where 31.50 and 32 can also be seen here. The stochastic at top, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with modest bullishness, and the RSI is also flat here. So looking at this, very simple, I will recommend you to buy silver here at 30.90 levels, expect it to move towards 31, 31.25 levels, and then if it trades beyond 31.20.25, stay bullish. What we are looking at 31.50 and beyond 31.50, just stay bullish, close your eyes, stay bullish. 32, 32.50, 33 are the targets very, very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry in silver at 30.40 levels, where you can expect 30, 30, 30.20. Very, very good support exists in between this zone 30.40, 30.20, and if it breaks 30.20, stay short for 29. See, $30 levels also is a very good support. Below that you can expect 29.70, and then 29.40 levels. Below that a crash can be expected towards $29 levels. Chances for this happening appears to be less. I expect that silver might still reverse and rise from the current. Thus take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.